Hello and welcome to the video. Thank you for joining me once again. Today we have an LG42LS3450. Now you may recognise this one. It has been on before. It was water damaged. The screen was water damaged. We cleaned it all up and it worked fine. I kept it. Now I kept it because the missus wanted to use it upstairs. We didn't have a remote. It was close to Christmas. I wasn't buying one till after Christmas. Remote came. Went to fit it. And unfortunately, a mishap happened. You'll see that in the next clip. Let me just turn this around so we can see it. And there you go. Like I say, we had a mishap. Whilst I was fitting the bracket, or I assume whilst I was fitting the bracket, the screen smashed. Because when I got the remote, I did check it. It all worked. I checked it with the aerial, made sure the remote was working. So now I've got to strip it because there's nothing I can do with it. So, you know, a little annoying, but what can we do? So, I'll take off the stand, take off the back, and we'll have another look inside. And there you go. This is what happens if you're not careful putting up a TV. This was the water damage telly. I took the screws off the back that were on the back. These ones. I put the bracket on. And I must have leant down too hard. Had it on. Resting on these boxes here. And yeah, smashed now. So what a waste. So I'm extremely pissed off with myself. There's nothing I can do about it apart from I just bought a remote for it as well, so I'm even more pissed off. So I've wasted money. So there we go. We're going to take this one apart for our Wednesday TV scrap out. Okay, so if you're going to put a bracket on, do it on your soft sofa, the floor, or a big table. And I know I've got one downstairs. Lessons learned, eh? Got to put my old one back up now. Little small 32-inch, I think that is. Oh well. It is not my effing day. I'm just putting the old teddy back on, and the bloody bracket started falling off the wall. God damn it. Right, so I've got no filler, and even if I did, I probably wouldn't go back through there. I'm dropping it lower. As you can see, it's only 4 connections, and I use these wall plugs here. Oh, what a nightmare. Alright, let's back up with the old one. Now I've got to check, make sure it's not any damaged at all. Looks okay. Yeah, okay. Damn it. Okay, so I managed to remove all the brackets that come up through the back without breaking them, so I might list them. The stand is in here, all listed on eBay already. This is the light inverters. So, there we go. Right. I'm about to turn on the lights. These are going to be bright. These are LEDs. For a minute to turn the bloody thing on. Hold on. Okay, got the remote now. Excuse me, still a bit ill. These are stuck down with double-sided tape, so I'm just leaving them off slowly with a knife. And something else I noted, these ones are connected in the middle, so that's interesting. Not seen that. So I expect, let's see what happens if I turn it on now. Oh, light's coming. See, it's disconnected. Okay, so let's, oops, wrong button. Right. Okay, so the power's off. Let's connect it again. There's a break in the chain. So they're not lighting up like Christmas tree lights, you see. So if you've ever got a light problem, that's probably why. So let's connect these up. Oh, still power in there. It's a bit naughty. Right. Okay, I'm going to turn it on again. We should have light this time, so if you're affected, look away. And that is bright as hell. Okay, so there you go. Now it's working, you see. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. You can look again now. Lights off. I am going to stop the recording, take a photograph of it with the with the lights on, and I'll be back in 1 second. So we got lucky there. That's how I've manoeuvred that one. The sticky tape is on the bottom. I won't have to use my sticky label cleaner to get all the stickiness off the back when I've listed it. So that's going to actually save me a job. I got quite lucky there. So I'm going to do the rest now. And this one did come off here. And I'm just going to do just one tiny little dot of glue on there to put it back on. Okay, 1 down, 4 to go. Okay, so as you can see, they're all disconnected now. I am going to plug it back in once more and take a photograph with them disconnected and lit up. That way the buyer knows they still work after I've removed them from the base. So, and they get the photograph evidence and everything, so they can't say, oh, it didn't work after you took it off or whatever. Well, I've got photographic evidence to say it does. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so everything's in its piles ready here. I'm just going to see how it's all listed. These are the inverter boards, which are for my personal gold recovery. Everything else is going to be listed. I've got to take these boards off, list them. This back plate is my scrap, and I've got some more here. And yeah, let's see how it's all listed, as I say, and that's what we'll do next. Alright, okay, so far I had a look on eBay at the strips, and they're selling side A and side B separately. No one is selling one set together, so I decided I would sell mine in sets of one. So like that. I've got one here, a broken clip, which I've also listed at a reduced price, and the stand's listed. So I've still got to list the rest, but the app keeps crashing. So what I'm going to do is, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to list it, package it, get it ready, job done. So it's got one more clip, but that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for joining me. And I'll see you on the weekend in another video, hopefully. Like, share, and subscribe. So this is what I meant when you pay for your postage with Every instead of Royal Mail through eBay. You just get your code here. And you can take your phone, and it gives you that little print logo. And you can print that, or you can just type in manually the code you got, which I do, and it gives you this little sticky label. And the printing is absolutely free, so it doesn't cost you any ink. You can start selling on eBay straight away. Just do your postage for Every in the eBay store. As long as you've got a printing store near you, it works out great. And I just enter this manually myself, this code, print this off. Usually I take it with me, the package. There's my code there. Don't even need to take my phone, and I print in store. Slap that on there, give it to the person at the till, and then they give you a receipt. And it even comes with tracking. You know, you don't get that with Royal Mail, and it's actually cheaper than Royal Mail too. So, well, swings and roundabouts. Just found this one. It's an LG. So if we can get it working, we have to let it thaw out for a few days, of course. Hopefully the remote won't go to waste. No guarantee, of course.